Hey friends, if you wish to check your disk for errors and you wish to run the check disk scan for it, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It's easy. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command CHKDSK space forward slash R space forward slash F and hit enter. And then press Y and then hit enter once again to invoke the scan. But here's the thing, this cannot work with SSD systems. It only works with HDD systems because those are the ones which have a disk, though people still use them. Now the other method is that go to this PC. Let's say I need to scan volume D. Right click on it and then select show more options, select properties, go to tools and click on check and then click on scan drive. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.